Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So this is a quick unboxing of the M-Tac blow-up mattress. It's quite a small little mattress. I'll just go over the specs here. You can watch me unbox it. So I've got the olive colored one. It's made out of 40D nylon and TPU coating. It's 195 by 60 by 5 centimeters. So not exactly all that wide, but it is a decent length. Once you've packed it up, it's 19 by 11 by 7 centimeters, so it goes down quite compact, and it's just under 500 grams at 485 grams. And obviously it's made by M-Tac from the Ukraine. Once you roll it out and blow it up, it takes about a minute of blowing it up. That's not going too hard, so you won't get too exhausted blowing it up. It's got a really efficient design, so it blows up really easily, and it is quite comfortable. Not 100% sure how durable it will be, but it's got a lot of really good reviews, so I think it will be fine. I specifically picked this one because it's one of the cheapest on the market, and the design and size fit really well with the tent that I have. So this tent here that I have currently on the screen is the Rockland Soloist. So it's a single person tent. If you're curious about this tent, I also have a sort of an unboxing review thing about this. Haven't had a chance to use it in the wild yet, but if you want to have a look how quickly it sets up, what it looks like, you can check that out. I'll leave that linked in the description. But otherwise, yeah, this is the M-Tac Single mattress. Quite good. Really efficient, and for the price, you really can't go wrong. Anyway, I'll wrap that one up here. I'll do a more in-depth review once I've had a good chance to use it for a while and give some better opinions on it. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on another video. Cheers, everyone. Actually pretty good. Actually pretty good.